Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for game number 47 of the Indian T20 League, where Hyderabad will take on the very wounded Delhi side, because these two teams are coming off very important losses. They have opened up the points table for a lot of other teams, but that is not what this video is about. In this video, I'm going to give you guys all the important numbers, a lot of facts, a lot of stats, player battles, milestones, everything that you guys need to know to make your predictions as to who's going to come out victorious on this contest. So without much further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Well, let's quickly have a look at where this game is going to be played. It's going to be played in the Dubai International Stadium. The average first inning score here is just a touch over 150. The teams that have been chasing have obviously had an upper hand in the second half of the tournament, so it's not very ideal as to predict which team is going to do what after winning the toss. Let's quickly move on and let's quickly discuss what the head-to-head record between both these sides are, because it's a very interesting number, because a majority of these matches, they've played 6 times against each other since 2018, and the majority have been won by Hyderabad. But this Delhi franchise is not the one that we saw a couple of years ago. It's a brand new one. It's a one that's led by a fantastic captain. So Hyderabad, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow and company are definitely up for playing against one of the best sides in the tournament. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's quickly move on and discuss the all-important numbers. Well, let's look at a couple of very important X factors in either side. The first one being Rishabh Pant, because he's had a great time versus the Hyderabad franchise. In 10 innings, he's got a strike rate of 155 plus, already got a century to his name, an average of 44 plus, brilliant numbers. On the other hand, David Warner, the captain of Hyderabad, also has had a great time playing versus Delhi, because in 11 innings, he's also got a strike rate of 124 plus, brilliant average of 41 and above, and he's also got 3 half centuries to his name. These, I think, these players are going to be the X factors going into this contest. Talking about a couple of very important milestones, Rishabh Pant is only 47 runs away from getting to 2,000 runs representing the Delhi franchise. Absolutely scintillating that record if he does get that. He's a very young player, very talented player, we all know that. And the other milestone that we're going to look at is Manish Pandey, because he's 62 runs away from getting to 1,000 runs in the Indian T20 League representing the Hyderabad franchise. Only 3 other players have gone there for Hyderabad, have gotten to that mark, and those 3 are David Warner, Kane Williamson, and last but not least, Shikhar Dhawan, who this time around is playing for the Delhi franchise. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I just have one very important player battle that you guys have to look out for, because it is a very intense one. David Warner on one side and KG Rabada on the other. We all know that these two gentlemen have had on-field issues. David Warner has succumbed to Kagiso Rabada's bowling, and very similar. Kagiso Rabada and Jofra Archer are very similar, and these two gentlemen have troubled David Warner in the past, because this stat says that in 4 innings he's been able to dismiss David Warner twice. So this is definitely going to be playing in the minds of David Warner and Kagiso Rabada, because this contest is going to decide the future of their respective teams in this contest, in this tournament. Let's quickly move on and discuss the all-important predicted 11 of both these sides. Well, let's quickly discuss the Hyderabad playing 11 first. I don't think they're going to make a lot of changes. They obviously are seeming to miss Bhuvneshwar Kumar in their bowling lineup, but even other than that, they look a very solid side. It just didn't come off in the last game. A couple of very lucky dismissals for the opposition, and these gentlemen will heavily rely on the opening partnership of David Warner and Johnny Bairstow, which seemed to click in the last game. It just didn't go their way. So David Warner and Johnny Bairstow will be taking the onus for the entire team's batting. Kane Williamson is also not available, and the likes of a Jason Holder will need to start donning the role of a finisher. The bowling lineup looks very solid, with T. Natarajan and Rashid Khan doing a great job. Abdul Samad and Priyam Garg, the youngsters, are also doing a very good job for this side. On the other side, let's quickly move on and discuss what we have for Delhi, because this team has made a couple of changes to their winning combination, which has cost them to lose a couple of games, because Prithvi Shaw has been not in good form, and he's been dropped. He was dropped in the last game. We still don't know if he's going to be able to come back, because his replacement, Ajinkya Rahane, who's obviously now gotten 3 to 4 games, hasn't performed up to the mark. He hasn't scored a lot of runs. And on the bowling side, if we have a look at it, Harshal Patel was bowling really well. Tushar Deshpande came in to replace him, but do we think if Harshal Patel comes back, Arshal Patel, Enric Nokia and Kagiso Rabada were a very good combination for any opposition. They were really bowling well in tandem. So I think these are the couple of changes that we might look at. We might still see Prithvi Shaw coming in and opening for Delhi, but that's all left for your guys' predictions, which I want you to let me know in the comments below. And last but not least, I have to tell you guys what Cricket Cracker's audience has decided, because I asked them a question if they thought if Delhi will come back to winning ways, because obviously they were at the top of the table, and surprisingly 62% of the people still believe that yes, they can, and they all believe in the young captain Shreyas Iyer, which I eventually do as well, because he's been absolutely sensational. He wants to win, and that is very clear in the intent that he brings onto the field. So that's about it in this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys like the video, hit the like button in the comments. Like I said before, let me know all your predictions, and if you already haven't done it, then hit that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and I will see you guys very soon with another video.